everyone and welcome to another video for Pins Across the World. So we are currently at the Hilton by DoubleTree at Manchester Airport and we are flying to Florida and Walt Disney World tomorrow. So Alice is currently resting, so he's not coming on the camera for this bit. He'll join us later, although you might catch him in the background. So I'm just going to go a quick room tour, so I'll put the camera. So when you come in, we've got a wardrobe and there's a safe at the bottom too. And robes, plenty of space if you need it. Forgive the mess, but we had pizza for dinner. There's also a kettle and they gave us cookies when we checked in and they were warm, they were very nice. And they had some really good tea options, so raspberry and pomegranate. I think there was a passion fruit one, mango and passion fruit. Might have another drink in a minute. In the bathroom, we've got a big bath, option of a shower, lots of toiletries. Some of them might be coming with us. But yeah, it's quite a spacious bathroom actually. Very clean. Hello. We've got two beds, a massive TV. We're currently watching Modern Family. And then you've got a mirror, a chair, bags, and I think we have a view of the car park. So one of the reasons we are actually staying here is because there are currently train strikes on everywhere, so our plans of going on the train to the airport, which we normally do, got scuppered and we've had to drive. So Alistair has got parking included with the price of the room, 40 nights?
50 night parking.
50 night parkings. Oh yeah, because we've got tonight. So we're staying over. I think it's probably maybe a 5-10 minute walk to the station from the hotel, but we've also got, was the shuttle included or was it extra?
It's included.
So the shuttle from here to Terminal 2 is included within the price of the room as well. So Alice has already booked it for 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, so we just go out the front, they'll pick us up and they'll take us directly to Terminal 2 ready for us to check in. So that's everything at the moment. Fingers crossed that everything is going to be plain sailing tomorrow. The weather's not too bad, which is always a bit of a hit and miss when you're flying at this time of year in January. But it's just, I think, meant to be a bit rainy and windy tomorrow, so it might be a bit bumpy when we go up, but it should be fine. So we'll catch you in the morning when we are ready to go to Disney. So we're very excited. We might not sleep very well,